Ever wanted to grow your own vegetables but didn't know where to start? Welcome to the world of vegetable gardening, an exciting journey where you're the architect of your own fresh, homegrown produce. Imagine the joy of cultivating vibrant tomatoes, nutrient-packed spinach, versatile zucchini, and flavorful herbs. The beauty of this is in its simplicity. It's not rocket science, it's gardening, a rewarding activity that's within everyone's reach. So, are you ready to sow the seeds of your own thriving garden? Join us as we explore how to cultivate these garden favorites that require minimal effort and yield bountiful harvests. Spinach, a nutrient-packed leafy green, takes the first spot on our list. Sow your spinach seeds in well-draining soil, enriched with organic matter. Keep the soil evenly moist and protect your plants from harsh sunlight. In just 4 to 6 weeks, you're ready to harvest. This versatile green is not only delicious in salads and smoothies, but it's also packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. With spinach, you'll have a constant supply of fresh, nutrient-rich greens right at your fingertips. Nothing beats the taste of a homegrown tomato. Their vibrant color and intense flavor are a testament to the love and care put into their cultivation. Start by planting your seeds indoors, 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Once the seedlings are strong, transplant them outdoors into nutrient-rich soil. As the plants grow, they'll need support from stakes or cages. With patience and care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of these juicy red fruits. Growing your own tomatoes will give you a fresh and flavorful addition to your meals. Zucchini is a garden favorite, and it's easy to see why. This resilient plant thrives with a little sun and well-drained soil, rewarding gardeners with a bountiful harvest. Regular watering and a watchful eye for pests will keep your zucchini plants healthy and productive. Once harvested, zucchini shines in the kitchen, gracing everything from stir-fries to baked goods with its mild flavor. Plus, it's packed with fiber and vitamins, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. Growing zucchini will provide a versatile, healthy ingredient for your kitchen. Herbs can transform any dish, and they're incredibly easy to grow. Let's take a look at basil and parsley, two of the simplest yet most rewarding herbs to cultivate in your garden. With their ability to thrive in various conditions, they're ideal for beginners. Beyond being culinary stars, these herbs pack a punch in terms of health benefits. Basil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, while parsley is rich in vitamins. Growing your own herbs will elevate your cooking and boost your health. So, are you ready to start your gardening journey? We've explored the wonders of spinach, tomatoes, zucchini, and herbs. Each vegetable brings its own unique benefits, from nutrient-packed spinach to versatile zucchini. Embrace the joy of cultivating your own fresh produce and witness how these garden favorites can flourish with minimal effort, yielding bountiful harvests. It's a fulfilling endeavor that's worth every bit of your time. Remember, growing your own vegetables is not only rewarding but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Happy gardening!